Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to install Rasa via pip in Conda environment. So let's create a Conda environment named Rasa env with the command conda create -n Rasa envs. Type here. So we created an environment named Rasa env and let's activate this with the command source activate Rasa envs. Now once you activate your environment, it will be shown on your left. So the next step is we'll install pip inside the Conda environment with the command conda install pip. Okay, so we successfully installed pip inside our Conda environment. And now let's see all the list of packages inside the environment. So here are the list of packages, and now let's install Rasa with the pip command. So the command is pip install Rasa, and here you can see it has been successfully installed. And let's check whether this Rasa package will be shown inside our list of packages. So here you can see that Rasa with the version 1.1.4 is installed. Thank you so much for watching this video.